So I've got this, it's actually Harris tweed, it's actual Harris tweed, so that's quite fancy really. And I'm just going to cut them out and stick them in there, and I'll speed up so you can see what's going on. Super fast. Boom! Here's it here, nice whiskey flight, whiskey glass holder. Looks quite nice if I do say so myself. I might make a few of these. I could do one for myself actually. I've only got 2 of these glasses, but that's alright. I like these ones too, but it's no good for that. Cool. Nice.